Hey everyone! If you're curious about flags and the amazing stories behind them, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into one of the world's most unique national flags, the flag of Turkmenistan. Trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Info Infinity Loop for more awesome content. So let's start with first impressions. The flag of Turkmenistan is a real showstopper. A bright green background, a red stripe packed with intricate designs, 5 white stars, a crescent moon. But what does it all mean? Let's break it down. The green color, not just for looks. Rooted in Turkmen culture and Islamic tradition, symbolizing life, renewal, and faith. Now check out the red stripe on the hoist side. It features 5 carpet gulls. Each gull represents a major Turkmen tribe. The patterns tell a story of unity and identity. The olive branches underneath the carpet motifs represent peace and neutrality. Turkmenistan's neutral stance in global affairs, that olive branch says it all. Upper left, a white crescent moon and 5 five-pointed stars. Crescent equals sign hope and new beginnings. The 5 stars equal sign the 5 regions of Turkmenistan. It's a map on the flag. Fun fact: this flag is one of the most complicated to recreate because of the detailed designs. For Turkmen people, every detail matters, a symbol of heritage and pride. Turkmenistan adopted this flag after independence from the Soviet Union in 1992. A bold step announcing a unique national identity. Now every time you see this flag, remember, history, tradition, hope, and pride stitched together in one symbol. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more. I'm always here to take you on another Info Infinity Loop. Thanks for watching.